one of the best United States or USA servers. VPN, pretty much show you guys how to use it like a pro state. Much the home screen of the application, and you pretty much will need a subscription to use the application or connect to anything at all. However, VPN is very fast, and I can tell you the server is good. Only United States server. If you're looking for a VPN that is United based only and the server is fast, then check no other. This is the best as it relates to United States server. Only supports United States server, however. But to connect this VPN, we need a subscription. To get that subscription, you can either tap on the connection button here, and you pretty much see the prices. And as well, you can get a 3 days free trial, then you start paying the monthly fee or the yearly fee. So you can test out the VPN. As I said before, it is very great. However, it is not for free. So you can test out 3 days, get the 3 days, and pretty much test out the servers and everything. But I can tell you, it's pretty much worth it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this application. Very straightforward. Or you can go down here, press on manage subscription, but we'll just redirect it to App Store. So if I missed anything, comment below. Let's see you in the next one.